Are you a self-published author looking for the best and most affordable keyword and niche research tools? Keep watching. In today's video, I'm showing you my absolute favorite KDP tools that get me book sales. And stay until the end for a very special bonus. Hi, welcome back. And if you're new to my channel, I am Gabrielle, a self-published author and a happy mom of 2 gorgeous kids. I love sharing tips on how to make money online through self-publishing and more. Today, I am walking you through my favorite keyword and niche research tools by self-publishing titans. Unlike a lot of other tools out there that are expensive or confusing, theirs are easy to use, affordable, and you can choose to pay once and keep them forever with no subscription needed. I recently made a video about how to create a low-content book step by step by using their new guided sequence on their updated 3.0 tools, and I promised I'd do a video going through each tool individually. So let's get into it. You can pause this video at any time or use timestamps. I create all my videos that way so it's easy to follow along. First, sign up using the link in the description and use the code Gabrielle to get an additional 5% off. They offer lifetime pricing, which means you pay once and never again. Yet you get all the updates for the tools you get. But if you want to try them out first, you can start with a low monthly subscription, and if you love a tool, you can cancel anytime and switch to a one-time lifetime payment. Once you log in, you'll see the dashboard. The guided sequence I covered in my last video is right here, but today I'm heading to the Keyword Research tab on the left. Here are the tools available for keyword and niche research. 1. The Chrome extension, which is free. The Niche Finder, the 7 backend keywords tool, the Reverse Acing tool, and the Competitor View tool. I'm going to show you how to use each one. The Chrome extension is quick and easy to install. I've had it installed for a year or 2 now. They have a tutorial video on how to use it, and once it's activated, you can search for any keyword directly on Amazon and see useful data right away. First, after you write a keyword without pressing enter, it shows a list of related keywords that people are actually searching for on Amazon, providing the search volume, search results, plus a demand and opportunity score. This is incredibly useful for finding profitable keywords, which means they have a high search volume with low competition, which means a lot of people are looking for that, but there are very few products for that high demand. So you are more likely to rank in the first page results and get more sales. For example, the keyword axolotl book has high search volume with low results, as you can see. I can press enter or click on the keyword here. Now I can view the search results. Titans Pro, which is this Chrome extension, shows me the demand and opportunity for this keyword here again, plus the results, bestseller rank, reviews, price, and link data. It also shows me the words most used in these book titles, the 30-day search volume, the books with less than 5 reviews, and the books with less than 50 reviews. I scroll down and I found a best-selling book that is independently published, which means it is a KDP book. It has a really good BSR, which is the bestseller rank. The lower the number, the better. When you roll over any book, you get even more info. As you can see, the Chrome extension is amazing. Free, it works great, but to get all its features, you must get Titans Pro. This is what I use the most of all their keyword research tools, and my absolute favorite. It's a must-have. And later in the video, I will show you more awesome features of this Chrome extension. Next is the Niche Finder, which includes 4 tools: Titans Pro, Hot Niches, Retrovision, and Deep View. Each one of these tools, as I said, can be used independently. Titans Pro lets you see the search volume and number of results for any keyword, so you can quickly tell whether it's worth creating a book around this keyword or using it in your listings. You can use it right here or through the Chrome extension. We just saw how it works. Hot Niches is a monthly service that delivers 30 high-demand, low-competition niche keyword recommendations. If you ever feel lost on what type of book you should create next, this service is the best. It points you towards niches that people are actively searching for. where there is real opportunity and very few competitors. Never will you stare at a blank screen again, trying to think about what book to create next, and not knowing if your next book will sell or not. Instead, you will be filling a real need in the market by writing the hottest niches and trending books. Always remember, never create a book without first confirming that people actually want it. There are a lot of interesting keywords in this list, and you always want to focus on the ones with high search volume and low results. That is the sweet spot. At the top of the list right now, we have the keyword contact book kids. It has over 20,000 searches and only 705 results. That is a great sign. I'm going to copy that keyword and take it into Titans Pro to dig deeper. This helps me find additional keywords I can use for that book, and it gives me more ideas for the type of book I want to create. You can also see demand and opportunity scores here. High demand and high opportunity together means you're looking at a book with strong selling potential. You can export this full keyword list as an Excel sheet once you've chosen the best and most relevant. Next is the Retro Vision tool, which lets you reverse engineer an existing book. Some people call this reverse ASIN. You select the marketplace, in my case Amazon.com, then paste in the book's ASIN, which is the alphanumerical code Amazon gives to each product. I want to reverse engineer the independently published book about axolotls that's selling really well. You usually want to reverse engineer bestsellers. I paste the ASIN and hit search. You can use the data filter button to narrow results, similar to what you do in Helium 10, which is another keyword research tool I really like, but which is more expensive. If you're curious about that tool too, you can watch videos I made about it on my KDP playlist. But I'm not using any filters today, so I just press search. It may take a few seconds or a few minutes to pull all the historically relevant keywords for that ASIN, but once it's done, you can sort by search rank, search volume, search results, demand, and opportunity. This gives you a clear picture of the best keywords to use when reverse engineering a book. You can select a few and export them, or download the entire list. Just be patient with the full download, because it does take a few minutes. Next is the Deep View tool, and this one is one of my favorites too. It shows you all the competitors for a specific keyword. I want to explore that contact book kids niche, so I paste it in, select Amazon.com, and run the Titan analysis. This gives me the average price, average monthly sales, average ratings, and average reviews for that keyword. You can view the results as a list or as a gallery. I scroll down and sort by BSR. The lower the number, the more sales it has, unless it's 0, which usually means no sales at all. Some of the results aren't books, but some are. We can't touch anything Snoopy related because it's trademarked, but this one, the Llama Love Address book, is good inspiration. It has a good BSR under 100K, around 150 sales per month, and very few reviews. That last part is key because it means you don't need a ton of reviews to compete in this space. If a book catches your eye, you can choose to track it. You can also click on the title to view it on Amazon, where the Chrome extension shows you its bestseller rank across several categories, which is great intel for when you're listing your own book and want to know which are the best categories for it. It also shows estimated 30-day royalties. The amount might look small, but it is a low-content book, which usually are less profitable than high-content books. But consider this. If you create 10 books like this, which are earning $200 to $300 a month each, that's $2,000 to $3,000 per month in passive income. That can genuinely replace or supplement a full salary. Here are the extra Chrome extension features I want to highlight because they're really impressive. The first is the graph, which shows you BSR, list price, new price, and review count over time for any book. This helps you see whether a book sells consistently or had one spike and then flatlined. You can also adjust the time frame to look at different time windows of this book's selling history. The second feature is the book listing analyzer, and this is pure gold. It shows you the main competitors and gives you an AI analysis of the book's cover, flagging what's working, what could be improved, and where the opportunity is to create something better. You get the same breakdown for the title and subtitle, the book details, and most valuably, the reviews. The review analysis tells you exactly what customers love about the book and what they wish was different. All of that insight is incredibly useful when you're building your own version because you can create a book that directly addresses the gaps in the market. And since this book is already selling well, yours has every reason to do even better. Just be mindful to not just copy a book. We get inspiration from bestsellers and make better versions of it with a twist to satisfy unmet needs. That is how you beat a bestseller. Let's go back to the dashboard by clicking Home. Now, let's look at the 7 Backend Keywords tool. This tool helps you generate the 7 keywords you need when listing your book on KDP, and it gives you several keyword combinations based on your main keyword, plus additional suggestions including long-tail variations, single words, and more. Everyone has a slightly different approach to backend keywords. Some say, don't repeat your main keywords. Others say it's fine. Some swear by single words only. I personally like a combination of both. You can click on the plus sign next to any keyword to add it directly to your list. There are also advanced options for extended long-tail keywords, for excluding certain words, and for removing duplicates. These results are all suggestions to help spark ideas, so pick what's most relevant to your book. And don't overthink it because you can always update your backend keywords after publishing. Just make sure nothing you use is trademarked. Back on the home screen, you'll notice that the reverse async tool is a retrovision tool we already saw. And the competitor view is the deep view tool we already explored too. I love that everything is organized in this section. It is all in one place, so you can jump into any tool independently whenever you need it. They're also a part of the guided sequence, but if you've only purchased certain tools and not the full suite, you can still use them individually this way. Make sure to use my link in the description to try them out, and use the code Gabrielle to get a discount. Drop any questions in the comment and I'll be happy to answer them. I love self-publishing titans because they're the main reason I started getting consistent sales on my books. I talk about it in this video here. I took their KDP Masterclass, which is incredibly affordable, especially compared to other creators who charge thousands of dollars for the same type of knowledge. And most keyword research tools from other companies come with expensive monthly subscriptions. With self-publishing titans, you get so much without that ongoing cost, as long as you choose their lifetime bundles. And the monthly subscription options are way more affordable. I've been sharing my love for self-publishing titans even before they became a sponsor. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe to continue learning how to earn passive income online and have more time to spend with your loved ones. And don't forget to check out my playlist and to watch my previous video on how to create a book step by step with self-publishing titans next.